Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna try this invisible ponytail with glued bangs, aka protective hairstyle. So if you want to see how I achieve this, keep on watching. I'm going to start off with I think 1.5 weeks old hair. I'm going to use my water spray bottle to damp my hair a little bit, and then afterwards go in with my Chi heat protectant and then use my Phillips tool to give my hair a blowout look. Now I already did a similar style like this before, so if you want to see it in more depth, definitely go ahead and click the link down below in my description box, or it will pop somewhere here in the video. The rest is really easy and I'm just not gonna talk too much during this video. I'll let you guys just watch it. So I'm just gonna take a stocking cap and start applying the Got2b Glued Extreme Freeze Spray and some Got2b Ultra Glued Gel on the stocking cap, kind of like the same way if you're applying your lace wig, you know. So I bought these weave bundles a couple of months ago, but I'm not doing anything with it. So I'm gonna use it and build and create the bangs towards the ponytail. That means you wanna start from the bottom track and measure and cut a decent wide of those tracks and just continue to bond the tracks with the bonding glue all the way to the top of the ponytail, and that will create an illusion and a visible bang with a ponytail. So the tracks are gonna get shorter and shorter as I get higher and closer to the ponytail, and once you get to the top, you're just gonna blow dry it and start cutting off the extra stocking cap from around those tracks. Lift it carefully up and cut it off. So now I'm gonna do my ponytail. I'm just gonna start by using my bobby pin and pin the beginning of the track in my bun, then wrap the hair around my bun. I noticed I still have space there. You can and actually must fill in that gap if you want to rock the hairstyle in a decent way. So I'm just gonna take a piece from the back and cover the tracks and style the ponytail in a small cute bun. Alright, so now I'm gonna start with the tricky part because actually I couldn't see nada. I'm going in with my razor comb and I like to start in the middle and work my way down to the side. Now when I create my bangs, I don't like to go short. I kind of go in with my flat iron to see how it lays. Afterwards, use my scissors to cut it shorter so I can see and come back with the finishing result. Alright, so now it's time to take them out. Yes, this is the part they don't show you. Well, it's actually really easy. You just need some water, as you can see, and you just need to gently rub the stocking cap off your hair and your edges. Please don't pull them off, otherwise you lose them edges. I'm just saying. So that's about it. I'm gonna show you guys a second look with the same technique, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye!